Today we are going to discuss about the international rules of a zoological nomenclature. Nomenclature is a Latin word. Nomen means name and clare means call. Collectively means to call by name. Nomenclature is a biological classification system of a naming the animals in which the name is a composite of two terms, where the first term indicates the genus and second term indicates the species of the organism. Example: Panthera leo. Panthera is genus name, Leo is species name. In 19th century, publication of the Systema Nature by Linnaeus in 1758. Next is the basic requests or requirements essential for a biological nomenclature. Three basic requests. First is stability, uniqueness, and universality. Stability is the constant of the names, free from frequent changes and substitution in time and space. Uniqueness is the extreme specificity of a specific name in the sense that it is related only to a specific taxon and on other taxon can have it. This implies that each taxon is known by a specific name and different taxa are never known by the same name. For example, scientific name of a human species is a Homo sapiens and lion is a Panthera leo. Lion is a scientific name is a Panthera leo. Next is a university of a biological nomenclature means that a particular species or any other taxon is known only by the same scientific name all the world over. This implies that scientific names must be universally acceptable. Next, discuss about the international rules and codes of a biological nomenclature. Linnaeus was the first to present a set of rules of nomenclature in Critica Botanica in 1737 and Philosophica Botanica 1751. The system of binomial nomenclature was introduced by Carl Linnaeus in 1750. The binomial nomenclature was two codes are published, ICZN and ICBN. ICZN is a international code of a zoological nomenclature and ICBN is a international code of a botanical nomenclature. ICZN for naming protista and animals. ICBN for naming plants and algae. ICZN consists of the rules, regulations, and recommendations accepted by the International Commission of Zoological Nomenclature. ICZN was first adopted in 1958 by the XV International Zoological Congress held in London. The first edition of the code was published in 1961 by the International Trust for Zoological Nomenclature in London. The revised and recodified second edition was published in 1964, third edition published in 1985, and fourth edition published in 1999. Next is ICZN consists of three major sections. First is a code proper and appendices and glossary. The code proper includes preamble and the articles. Preamble എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഒരു ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ പാർട്ടാണ്. Preamble is the introductory part which explains the purpose of the code. The articles cover the mandatory rules and the recommendations attached to some of the rules, but the code neither provides specific rules for a rank below subspecies. Subspecies in a rank below neither provides specific rules and nor does it fully regulate the nomenclature of the taxa above the rank of the family. Above the rank of the family and below the subspecies does not provide specific rules. ICZN consists of many rules. First rule is names must either be Latin or Latinized. Second, names of taxa higher than species should be uninomial. Third, name of a species is binomen. Fourth, name of a subspecies is a trinomen. Next is a name of a subgenus is placed in parentheses between genus and species. Example is Zorates. Sixth, family name should be end in die. Example, Tipulidae. Next, genus name should be a noun in nominative singular or treated as such. Example, Epis rena. Next, species name should be an adjective or noun in nominative singular agreeing in gender with the generic name. Example, Drosophila obscura, Felis tigris, etc. Drosophila obscura in the pic. Next is a zoological nomenclature is independent of other systems. Next, all names given to the species from time to time should be maintained in syngamy. Next, author name game is a not part of the name. It is used is optional and is suffixed. Example, cancer pancreas is commonly known as edible crab or brown crab. The topic zoological nomenclature is over. So, thank you.